The Google Image Format Change, WEBP. Hey, it's Ozzy here, continuing with this WordPress speed optimization series. Make sure you check out all the videos in this playlist. They're all tips to help you optimize your WordPress website. Okay, in this video, we're talking about Google's image format change, which is called WEBP. WEBP is an image format employing both lossy and lossless compression. According to Google's measurements, a conversion from PNG to WEBP results in a 45% reduction in file size. Now that's huge, and that's exactly what we want in order to make our WordPress website fast. Now, interestingly enough, a study by Backlinko claims that using responsive images results in the best overall image loading performance, and the use of WEBP was significantly less effective at reducing image load times. So this seems to contradict the whole WEBP argument. But nonetheless, I'm using WEBP now, and I'll tell you why. It is currently developed by Google. So WEBP is now a Google format. And when we talk about ranking, we generally mean ranking in Google. So it stands to reason that Google will want to push their own format, especially since they had to acquire that technology from a different company. They believe in this format. They want this format to be the web format for images. So I've already jumped ship and I've converted my images to WEBP. It makes no difference whatsoever to the user in visual terms. They are just images, they're just not JPEGs or PNGs. There are a number of websites online that I've seen that offer WEBP conversion from PNG or JPEG images. I haven't used these websites, so I don't know much about them. What I did instead is I actually purchased a plugin to do this for me. It didn't cost a lot, and it also has a few extra features that you don't get from these free websites. The plugin I use is Optimus, and I'll put a link to that in the description below this video. Now, when it comes to images, there are still more things we can do when it comes to improving the performance of your WordPress website. So check out the next video, which is on your screen right now. Click it, and I'll see you there.